This is Toledo, Spain, a city that rises from the landscape like a fortress of history, wrapped almost entirely by the Tagus River and built layer upon layer over centuries. Toledo is often called the City of Three Cultures, where Christian, Muslim, and Jewish communities lived, worked, and influenced one another for generations. You can see that story written directly into the architecture. Look closely, and you'll notice the blend: Gothic cathedrals rising beside structures shaped by Islamic design, intricate arches, detailed stonework, and narrow, winding streets that were never meant for cars, only footsteps and time. At the center stands the breathtaking Toledo Cathedral, one of the most important Gothic cathedrals in Spain, filled with ornate craftsmanship that reflects both devotion and extraordinary artistry. For centuries, this city has been known for its metalwork, especially its swords. Toledo steel became legendary across Europe for its strength, flexibility, and precision. Warriors and nobility trusted blades forged right here, and that tradition still lives on today. TJ found a sword that spoke to him, beautifully crafted, balanced, and rooted in that long history. Some might call it a tourist purchase, but places like Toledo have always thrived on sharing their craft with the world. And then there's something softer woven into Toledo's story. Marzipan, this sweet almond confection, has been made here for centuries, traditionally by nuns in local convents. What began as a necessity became an art form, carefully shaped by hand and passed down through generations. Toledo is a city of contrast, strength and softness, history and modern life. It welcomes visitors from around the world, inviting them to walk its streets, explore its shops, and take a piece of its story home. Tourism is part of how this city continues to live, breathe, and sustain the traditions that made it what it is. And after walking from one end of the city to the other, winding through centuries of history, you eventually find your way down, out of the walls, and toward the river that has been holding it all together. We leave crossing a bridge at the base of the city, the Tagus River flowing quietly below, wrapping around Toledo like it always has. From here, you can finally take it all in: the height, the stone, the layers of time stacked above you. Toledo is a place you move across and carry with you long after you've left.